Hi, in this video tutorial, we will learn how to upload photos to Facebook on a smartphone. Let's go to Facebook and see how to do it. Once you are logged into Facebook, you need to click on the profile button at the top of the page. Then go down a little to the point where Posts is written. Here, click on the photo and select any photo you want. Let's choose black square. Then click on the Post button. Our photo has been uploaded. This way you can upload photos and videos. Thank you all for watching. Subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, and see you soon.